All right, so it's done. I've got the nut slotted, I've got the saddle adjusted. What I'm going to do, because I texted the client, it's been 60 years since this guitar has made sound and had tension on it. As you saw in the videos, when I got it, it was in pieces. So I'm gonna let this thing sit for a couple of days under tension before I do anything else to it to see what it's gonna do. Because you know, we put that new brace in here to help with that, and it's gonna move, and I just need to see how much. And but it's still in tune. It sounds thin, and it's a small box, so it's gonna sound thin. But I just want to, like I said, I just want to let it see what it does, and if anything major happens, then y'all will know, because there will be another video to show what happened and how I'm gonna fix it. And but for now, we're done. So I appreciate y'all watching. Sorry for the big delay in between, but you know, everybody's going through this COVID stuff just like I am, so I'm pretty sure y'all understand. So hit the like button, subscribe, share it, do all that stuff. I would appreciate it, and we'll catch y'all on the next one.